Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Iyetunde Sandra Adeyemi. Early on in my career in April 2007, before I got the first job, my first cabin crew job, I went for three different interviews and I did not scale through the stages. I flopped in all these stages. I flopped. I know I messed up, and because I'm the type of person that whenever I go for interviews, if I do not get if I do not pass the interview, I always do a review of certain things that I did during the interview, and that is how I get to improve on myself. And so I have written an ebook, How to Become a Flight Attendant, and this ebook is going to help you. In fact, I've reduced the stress for you, because you're gonna in this ebook I have taken my time to explain the recruitment process, the cabin crew recruitment process, for you to understand the cabin crew recruitment process in Nigeria, the cabin crew recruitment process all over the world and in UAE. But I specifically chose Nigeria because I know that some people go to aviation schools. You just go to aviation schools, you collect this cabin crew license, and you are just there without a job. You don't know what next to do. You don't know what else, the steps you're going to take. Let me tell you, I know that in Nigeria we have this mentality that it's until you know someone before you get a job. However, I did not know anybody when I got my first job. I don't have any big person, one place. I don't. In fact, the somebody I remember my first job, somebody introduced me to a big person working there. I submitted my CV, but I was never called. But there was a time I heard that they were collecting CVs. It was a rumor. I just heard, and I went and I gave my CV to the security guard. The security guard gave it to one of the drivers that is working in that airline, and the driver took that CV to the cabin services department. That was how I was called for interview. So if you have this mindset that it's until you know someone, then the ebook is not for you. So if you know you don't know anybody anywhere, if you know that all you have is God, your cabin crew license, and even if you don't have a cabin crew license, because my first job, I did not even have a cabin crew license. The airline that trained me and gave me the wonderful experience that has exposed me today. So go to the description box below or the comment section. I put the link there for you to get the ebook. I promise you, you are going to learn a lot, and it's gonna change your perspective to the recruitment process, to the flight attendant recruitment process. Thank you.